curious, what does everybody else carry on the daily basis? Everybody knows their wallet. Everybody knows their car keys. How many people, more sophisticated guys, wear a watch? This is the Nixon 5130. I'm a collector. I have 9? 5? Something like that. Got a bunch of watches. So I also carry, my everyday carry is my SIG P220. And then I carry a Cold Steel Spartan, which was courtesy of my lovely Marine Corps. What does everybody else carry on the daily? Anyway, let's get into the video. So now we're in the car. We're going to go check out Texas Hot Rides. I've never been there, and might start looking at my next vehicle. Am I getting rid of the Challenger? Am I keeping the Challenger? Is the Challenger going under a major build, so maybe I need something else to drive? Who knows? Let's find out. But what we're going to get into today, we're going to see if we can piss some people off. We're going to talk about V8s, specifically Mopar V8s, and the ignorance that surrounds that community, because good Lord, there's a reason why I only listen to the old school hot rodders, because they know what they're talking about. They get it. They understand that there is a replacement for displacement. Alright, so if you haven't caught on to it by now, the replacement for displacement is boost. If you ever figure that out by this point in life, like, just keep driving around and cruising the Sonics and revving your fucking motors. That's all your car is good for. If there was no replacement for displacement, why are there Supras? Why are there V6 GTRs? Why are there 300ZXs? Shit, I know a guy with a Dodge Stealth that's running a 66 mil turbo on it. I watched him race the Z06 and destroy him. So for those of you who are like, oh man, I got 335 fucking cubic inches, or 392. So? And then you guys come back at me, oh, you got a V6, your car's slow. Okay, my car's slow. The difference is, I'm gonna continue to build it. Well, it'll never be faster than me if I put a blower on mine. Careful. Difference is I can run more than 6 pounds of boost without my motor wanting to blow up. How many of you 392 guys have had rocker issues, valve drops, cylinder cracks, piston breaks? Don't worry, I'll wait. Exactly. 95% of y'all. God, literally, if you read the forums, it's like, hey, if you go over 8 pounds of boost, man, you better be careful. I'm running 13 through a V6 with that many problems. That many! None. None! Think about it. So, that was my first point. My second point. Why don't you guys understand power to weight ratio? Well, hey, you got a V6. It's not built for drag racing. Okay? You're right. But on that same instance, neither's the 5.7. You're telling me you got 2.1 more liters, okay? Shit. 124 more cubic inches, and you got 70 horsepower? Great choice, bro. It sounds good though. I got that V8 rump. No one cares. No one gives a damn. Power to weight ratio. So, curb weight for a 5.7 is between what? 42 and 4,400. 392 goes up about another 100 pounds. And then the Hellcat goes up a couple pounds. Do you know what the curb weight for this is? 3790. Now I need to go get it on a scale so I can see what it actually weighs with all the fluids in it and my big ass in it, but I'm telling you it is not as much as a 5.7. So, power to weight ratio. Take what your car weighs, okay, and divide it by how many horsepower you have. That's your power to weight ratio.
Yeah, Mr. White. Yes, science.
A few moments later.
What's going on, Luis? So, tell everybody where we're at.
We're at Texas Hot Rides right now.
All right, we're out here checking out A little bit of GM love today. So, what can you tell me about this nasty C5 Lingenfelter?
So we got a coupe over here. It's got a little over 100 grand put into it. It's a 427 LSX block in it. That's an APS turbo setup. So it's right about 1100. Wheel right now it's tuned down a little bit, right at 800. You can change the boost.
Oh darn!
800.
Oh no, not 800.
Yeah, I mean this car is probably the cleanest coupe I've ever seen, inside and out, underneath. Big brakes.
This thing's nasty.
Oh, yeah.
And that, I mean, Lingenfelter doesn't just put their plaque on just any car, so God, that'd be like running in a Hennessy and it being fake. That's never gonna happen.
Right.
This beast. Okay, I thought those were turbo ports, right? My man Louise told me that those are just vents. That this thing has an intake and what else? Intake, pulley, and exhaust. Got a full mat on it. Everything in here looks damn good. And then the only thing about this is kind of tripping me out. Got Batman wheels and Ghostbuster green Brimbos, and then he's got the fake carbon fiber. Whoa, check it out! All that weight savings. All right, so we could also be looking at one of these guys today, except that. See that right there? See them brakes? Once they go out, that's $4 grand to replace. And then you have to do an all fluid, isn't it an all fluid maintenance every 10,000 miles?
Yeah, you want to do it right.
All the fluids in the car to be changed out every 10. I ain't got the time for that, nor do I have the money or the patience for that, because I have other race car parts to buy. So this is their Trackhawk, and Lewis was just telling me they're planning on making this the fastest one, period. It already has an upper and a lower pulley done to it, and they got, I think they said meth going on it next, but they don't know who they want to build it, so Bailey's, this is looking at you, man. Hit up Texas Hot Rides. Alright, so got the old school Camaro. So I mean, you got everything here. You got CTSVs, Corvettes, Lotus, Lambo, CGT. I mean, power for days, GTRs for days. So Lewis, plug it for me. How would you sell Texas Hot Rides to the people online?
You want turnkey ready, go fast? Come see me. I got you.
Boom. That's what I like to hear. So
There you go.
when I'm ready for my next Corvette, I'm coming to you, right?
I'll take care of you.
That's what I'm talking about. Car, and then just a random bird feather of all random shit. Can't get it to focus on it. Come on. Oh, a bird feather I just watched it just float down, just softly land on my window. Like, whoa, is that a sign of luck? Oh, and it's gone. Alright guys, well, that's the end of the video. Hope you had fun. If you didn't have fun, don't subscribe. If you had fun, subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week. Stay savage.